Hi everyone, it's Allie here. Just want to share with you a quick little tip. Here I have an eco-friendly way of doing family notes and making grocery lists. So this weekend my project was working on my Blackboard wall. I didn't want a big wall, so I chose this little spot by the pantry. And what I did was got Blackboard paint from the hardware store, painted the wall. And here, it's eco-friendly because you save on paper. You don't have little notes all over the place. And what happens is, I'm trying to make a video. Okay, so I'm sorry. This is life behind the camera. I am talking to you about the board, and God knows what is happening here. But nonetheless, let's get back to the Blackboard and its function. So what I do is I make my grocery list here, for example, then I take a photo and I take it with me to the grocery store. So each time I run out of something and I remember, I just jot it on the wall. Actually, I need pancakes. So I'm going to write pancakes here. So I jot it on the wall during the week, and then on the weekend when it's time for grocery shopping, I just take a photo and I take that with me, then I delete the photo. No paper, no waste. The kids love it. Sometimes Gabby comes and she scribbles here, Alex writes all over the wall, and then we just use a wet paper towel or an eraser and do it all over again. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I just wanted to share with you that small tip. And I hope that you can incorporate Blackboard paint into your own home, into your own decor in whatever way you can. It's also great for children's rooms or for those scribbly kids that just have to write on the wall. Blackboard paint is also a great option for them to be able to write, and you erase maybe a small section of the room or the bottom half. I've seen people use it that way. Just let your imagination guide you. Thank you again. Bye. Have a good day.